Dodge E100. We put a big block 440 in it, 727 transmission, the original rear, 8 3/4.
Right.
We have slicks for it. Inside of the truck, we put all aftermarket gauges to improve the performance, and we put a different gas tank. We added this box on the back, so we have our gas tank, we have storage, and we piled everything else in the back for drag week.
Awesome ride. How's drag week treating you so far? You doing pretty well?
So far, so good. A lot of good people here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty easy on the street, drama free.
Yeah, drama free. We've only had to stop a few times just to check tires,
right?
Check the engine out, make sure it's all right.
Small block power. You can make that field for the race. Two announcers. Rudimentary texting. The Suburban goes 1174. North Carolina. It says happy anniversary, honey, on the window.
I'm Gus Mahan's original Mean Mini he bought in '88. It's a 1989 Dodge Caravan Turbo, and it's been the engine's a 2.5 liter turbocharged, 153 cubic inch from the factory.
So what's the quickest pass you have on it so far?
The quickest pass is just a little bit faster than that previous video that you had caught.
Right.
It's 1177 at 113.
Do you get a lot of looks when people see a minivan going 11s?
Yeah, I think people can't help but look and have to look twice. So when they first see it, they might say, a minivan, you know.
Yeah.
I got my license on it, you know. My mom had one just like it. My uncle had one just like it, something. But yeah, it catches a lot of looks, especially on the return road.
combination from stock, and like what stock components are you still utilizing?
Well, still stock block,
Right.
Stock crank. The camshaft is a Turbos Unleashed R5 cam. The headwork, it's actually a Mopar G head,
Okay.
287 casting. It's got bigger valves. It's been ported by Steve Minivan. All the engine work and rebuild work was done by Brian Slow at Slow Speed. It's got forged pistons in it now for safety, wideband control, using a boost button, modified flashable computer so you can change the tune and reflash it. A lot of parts came from Turbos Unleashed. They got a hybrid header, bigger turbo that they did some custom work to it, so it's the GT 3076 with some custom work. So spool's nice, makes a ton of boost, and unfortunately this week we're not gonna be able to run as fast as we'd like because we got a little bit of some fuel bugs that we're working out with the new fuel system. So.
Once again, we're going to check the track here for a minute as I remind you to please check out that Motor Trend app or motortrend.com. We have a new episode of Roadkill Garage that I do with my buddy Steve Dulcich. That just came out yesterday. It's a really fun deal that I think you'll relate to. It's very much like drag prep. We try to put the environment possible. miles an hour. And Jim Pagano on the right-hand side with El Camino went 11:55. Here we go with another hot rod class car. Tony McDonald in his 37 Dodge Vic.